Hello Spartan Nation, this is Mr. Carter and I'm going to show you today how to set up your Gaston Day School Circle portfolios. These portfolios are a new way of tracking your development and your Gaston Day work, some of your best works from your classes, from your arts, from your athletics, and they're going to be very important to our upcoming conference days. Also important for the rest of this school year and really beyond that for the rest of your time in upper school at Gaston Day. So while these are very important portfolios, they also couldn't be easier to make. First thing that you are going to want to do is you are going to want to make sure that you are using the Safari browser. You can do this on either your iPad or on a laptop, but you're going to want to use Safari instead of Firefox or Chrome. Once you've created your website, you can use Firefox or Chrome to edit it, but you will want to use Safari to get your website started. The next thing you're going to want to make sure of is that you are logged into your Gaston Day School account. This will not work unless you are logged into your Gaston Day School Google account. The website that you want to go to is sites.google.com. When you get there, you will see a list like this. Mine already has websites that have been created both by me and by my students over several years, but what you are looking for is the Create button in the top left so that you can create your website. If you didn't follow directions and you are signed in to Firefox or Chrome, when you click this, it will give you the option between New Slides or Classic Sites. You want to use Classic Sites. If you're logged into Safari, though, it will go right into Classic Sites. What you are creating is a Circle portfolio, so you want to make sure that you are selecting the Circle portfolio template. It is the only template option that you should have. Then it will ask you to name your site. It should be your name, first name and last name, and then the words Circle portfolio. It's important that you put in your name like this. It will be difficult to modify the name of your website later. It's also important, since this will appear as the title of your website, that you put capital letters and a space between each of the words so it looks nice at the top of your website. Then go ahead and click Create. It will take a couple moments to create your website. Oh, and there we go. It's that easy to create your Circle portfolio. Once you do, you can jump around to the various tabs, and on any of the pages, you can click Edit to edit the contents. However, the very first thing that you are going to want to do, you are going to want to make sure that your website is shared with your advisor. Go ahead, click the Share button in the top right, and put your advisor's email in the Invite People section. They don't need to be able to edit it, just be able to view it.